Hi, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to say that I'm actually cannot speak in English, but now I'm trying to speaking in English to improve my English skill. Actually, I'm not understand any tenses, that's why my English is still very bad. Okay, so when I'm around 15 years old, my father hired a private piano teacher for me. And after a couple months practicing with her, I feel like I'm not has a significant progress. That's why I stopped to learn piano when I'm graduated from high school. But around 3 months ago, I watched a little girl playing piano in YouTube, and it sounds very beautiful, and that makes me wanna be like her. And then I found a YouTube channel that teaches us how to play a piano. The channel called Belajar Piano Keyboard, and they has a 14 days challenge learn piano, but I stuck at day 10. In day 10, I thought I'm stuck because I'm not use a piano. Yep, I don't have a piano before. I only use a keyboard. It's Yamaha PSR S950. I upload a couple video about when I'm practicing in that 10 days piano challenge with my PSR S950 in this channel too. You can search it in my channel. And then I decided to buy a digital piano that's a Roland RP 102 in 21 April 2020. No, what is that? Is it 2020? But when I try to practice that 49 days piano challenge, it still sounds really bad in day 10. Now I realize that it's not about the piano, but it's because my skill. And then I found a channel named Piano Lesson on the web. He make a video about a list of classical piano pieces that are perfect to start with. Number 1 is prelude in C major Bach. Number 2 is minuet in G, and number 3 is prelude. So now I start with prelude in C major Bach, but I can't read a piece, so luckily I still have a note from my teacher a couple years ago, so I can translate it with do re mi fa sol la ti do like this. And this is it, my journey practicing prelude in C major Bach for 1 week.